we started permutations and this basic problem related to counting principle in the last class. When do we use the addition rule? If either our cases arises, we will use addition rule. If two or more things occur simultaneously, we will multiply. So we have crossed problem related to n and r, problem related to counting principle, and we will discuss the same on counting principle with various variety. This is one such, that is together. This is one such we call it as a together and not together. What does it mean? When you arrange something, when you arrange a few particles, it consists of occurrence and non-occurrence. So occurrence is A, non-occurrence is A bar. Total is universal set. This you have learned in set theory. So this A is acting as together, union is acting as plus. A bar is acting as not together. This is equal to total arrangement. So total will be equal, not together whenever they ask in the question. Not together whenever they ask in the question, you can write it as total minus together. That is, not together is equal to total minus arranging together. Why are we doing like this? Suppose if I say five girls not together, five girls not together, condition is given on five. Condition is given on five. So it may be on the minimum or it may be on the minimum. Five girls not together means, so this can be bifurcated in terms of two cases. Four girls can be together, four girls need not be together. Or three girls can be together, three girls need not be together. Or two girls can be together, two girls need not be together. There is no case for 1 and 0 because together means minimum 2 will be there. So for five girls not together, just think how many cases are we discussing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of discussing these 6 cases, we can directly write it as total minus together. That is why this one step calculation is helping us to find the not together. Suppose if you take this example, the word failure. In the word failure, how many letters are there? 7. What is the condition? Vowels. Vowels are not together. So how many vowels are there? 4. What are they? A, I, U, E. A, I, E, U, E. So that vowels are not together. So that vowels are not together. 4 vowels. So without repetition, no letters in the word are repeated. No letters in the word are repeated. Therefore, we shall take this as a total arrangement. In the total arrangement, you take in a total arrangement, you take vowels together and then subtract. The rest are not together. So in the total means it is 7. So 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial. In the last class, I said alpha, beta can be arranged in 2 ways. Like that, the word failure is acting as alpha, beta. This many are disturbing me by, have you not got that email link? Many are unnecessarily disturbing me during the class. I gave the entry link for you. Why many were not accepted? Only 128 were accepted in 204. Why not others? About 76 were not reported. Henceforth, I will not help you because one, I have given a link. You have not operated it, for which I am not responsible. So I come to this bubble business. So you know n is equal to 7 without repetition, 4 vowels. What are they telling? This F, L, R, R consonant, A, I, U, E, R vowel. You take this as one unit because it is together. So this can be in the last position or between L and R, between F and L, or between or in the beginning. So how many such places are there? 1, 2, 3, and then this is a fourth place. So this is what we will get here. This is vowel together. So how many vowels are there? 7. Minus, take all the 4 letters, subtract, have it as one letter. The resulting letter is 4. What is this 4? This is that 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this this can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. This 4 vowels itself can be arranged in another 4 factorial because this is a vowel. And subtract this. So this is 7 factorial minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So simplify, you will get the answer. Have you all understood? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1 plus
sir,
4 plus 1 எப்படி sir?
We are taking all the 4 letters as 1. We are taking all the 4 letters as 1. That is why it is plus 1.
Yes, sir.
sir, vowels are
Whenever
five
the
letters,
word
no, sir.
together arrangement,
Vowels are 5 letters, no, sir. You wrote 4 letters only.
can you tell me what is the 5th letter?
A-E-I-O-U. O, sir.
Do you have O in a word failure?
Okay, okay, sir. I understood.
சார் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 4 ஃபேக்டோரியல் எதுக்கு சார் வந்திருக்கு?
First, we are arranging all the vowels between the consonant. It is one arrangement. Arranging vowels itself is another arrangement. That is why it is 4 factorial into 4 factorial.
ஓகே சார்.
Many students weren't accept the email invitation. Now they are all asking me. It is really irritating one. So this is again the problem related to best and worst. Never come together. So best and worst never come together means you take BW. So BW is for best, worst, not together. In the last problem, it was vowel, 4 vowel. Here best and worst only 2. So total minus BW are together. So total arrangement will be 10. It can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. No repetition. So n is 10. No repetition. Best, worst, total is 2. So in the total 10, subtract for best, subtract for worst. Take these 2 as 1 unit. Like a last problem, all the vowel we have taken as 1 unit because it should be together. And arranging this itself can be in 2 factorial. Arranging this itself in another 2 factorial. So subtract this. This is 10 factorial minus 9 factorial into 2 factorial. If you want, you can write 10 factorial as 9 factorial into 10 minus 9 factorial minus 2 factorial. So 9 factorial is out of the problem. It is 10 minus 2. Is that right? Have you all understood?
அப்புறம் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண வேணாமா சார்?
அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்க சௌகரியம் பண்ண விட்டா இட்ஸ் அப் டு யூ.
ஆனா எக்ஸாம்க்கு இது
எல்லாத்தையும்
வரைக்கும்
நானே
போட்ட
பண்ணணும்.
மார்க் கொடுத்துருங்க. எக்ஸாம்க்கு இது வரைக்கும் போட்ட மார்க் கொடுத்துருவீங்களா சார்?
You are always looking at marks. You are always looking at the marks. So THM never come together. The word logarithm, THM never come together. Never come together. whoever joined without using my link, what is your problem? I mean, I allowed you to join. So who are all have joined in such a way, why don't you join using the given link? Because you are wasting my time. From next class onwards, I don't wait. You, if you are not using the link, I will not allow anyone to get into my class. So the letter THM never come together. So THM, how many letters are there? THM is equal to 3. So total minus THM together. So word logarithms has got 10 letters. No letters are repeated without repetition. THM, there are 3 letters. THM, there are 3 letters. It is 10. Letters can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. Minus. Take a total 10. Subtract. Take a total 10. Subtract this 3. Take them as 1 letter. So the resulting can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. This 3 itself can be arranged in another 3 factorial. So this is 10 factorial minus 8 factorial into 3 factorial. If you want, you give it here itself. Otherwise, you simplify.
சார்
Ah.
இப்போ நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்றீங்களா இந்த சம், அத ஒரு தடவை திரும்ப சொல்றீங்களா சார் முடிச்சா விட்டு?
Why should I want to teach you?
இல்ல சார்,
Already I teach.
கிளாரிஃபை ஆகல சார் எனக்கு இந்த சம்.
Is it only this particular problem or right from the beginning?
சார் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சம்மும் இப்போ போடுற சம்மும் சார்.
Don't you
இல்ல சார்,
understand the word?
அது இல்ல அந்த 10 பேப்பர்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் பேப்பர் சம் இருக்குல்ல சார், அதுவும் இப்போ நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ற சம்மும் சார்.
What are you doing when I take? I
Yes, sir.
told very clearly the word failure. In the place of failure, we are having 10 papers. There it is vowel. Here it is best and worst. There vowels not together. Here best and worst not together. It was 4 letter. Here it is 2 letter. But the concept is same. The word logarithm, THM, it is 3 letter. So in the place of best and worst, we are having 3 letters. Subtract 3, take them as 1 unit. Nothing else I did. I repeat the same what I did in all the 3 problems. What is your doubt exactly?
இல்ல சார், எதுவும் இல்ல சார்.
If you take a word arrange, n is equal to 7. How many R's are there? 2. How many A's are there? Again 2. Is it a word with repetition? Yes. It is a word with repetition. Now what I want to do is we want to make 2R, 2A occur together. 2R, 2A occur together, which is equal to. It is just we want to only work this part. This part we have to work. You don't want to take total minus. So take a total 7 because.
Sir, why sir we don't want to minus?
Is it not together or together?
Sir, occur together, sir.
Occur together. When it is not together, I should subtract total minus.
Okay, sir.
What is okay, sir? Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir. I understood.
This is for 2 or 2A occur together. Read the question. This is never come together. Vowels not together. Is it like that?
No, sir. Occur
So
together.
take a total 7. Subtract for 2R. This is for R. Take them as one letter. Subtract 2 for A and take this as 1 letter. Resulting answer can be arranged in 5 ways. That is 5 factorial ways. This 2 letters itself can be arranged in another 2 factorial ways. This is what we have been doing in the last 3 problems in the second section, in the second part. So what is the required arrangement here? Required arrangement will be 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial divided by repetition. Because of repetition, we divide. This is for R, this is for A. Have you all understood?
Sir, can you say this again?
Because of repetition, we are repeating this. I mean, we are dividing this. There was no repetition in the first 3 cases. There was no repetition in the first 3 cases. I mean, first 3 problems. Just to compare all the 4 problems, what I did, here it was 10 paper. Here it is 7 letters. There it is best and worst. Here it is 2 or 2A. Higher, there I take the 2 best and worst as 1 unit. Here I take for 2R it is 1 unit. For 2A it is 1 unit. Then that itself can be arranged in another 2 factorial. Here, best and worst arranged itself in another 2 factorial. So this is 9 factorial into 2 factorial. This is 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, because the condition was given only on one best and worst. Here condition is given on 2 letters. That is why we multiply by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Also, we are adding 1 unit each. If you come to this problem logarithm, take a total 10, subtract 3. Why are we subtracting 3? THM. So all the THM should be brought together. Then take all the THM as one letter. So the resulting letter can be arranged in 8. I mean 8 factorial. This THM itself can be arranged in another 3 factorial. So the required arrangement by counting principle, we are arranging together. Therefore, we multiply. Do you understand now all the 3 problems? Have you understood? Otherwise, let me know.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே புரியலையா?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே புரியல சார்.
எப்ப வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ண? எப்ப வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ண? இப்ப ஜாயின் பண்ணியா?
8:50 ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
உனக்கு என்ன புரியல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து?
இல்ல சார், இந்த டுகெதர் நாட் டுகெதர் புரியல சார்.
ஏண்டா உங்களுக்கு நான் எப்படிடா சொல்றது? நீங்களா மேத்ஸ் படிச்சீங்களா படிக்கலையா? The word failure, FLR, மேத்ஸ் படிக்கலைனாலும் கிளீனா தான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கு. இதை விட I don't know what to take.
இல்ல சார், ஒரு தடவை இந்த இது மட்டும் ஒரே ஒரு தடவை சொல்லி தந்துட்டீங்கன்னா மீதியை நாங்க பாத்துக்கிறோம் சார்.
This is FLR. This is not a consonant. FLR is not a consonant. முதல்ல vowel நீ சொல்லும் போதே எனக்கு டவுட் வந்துருது. vowel AIOU எனக்கு தெரியும். பட் வேர்ட் ஃபெயிலியர்ல ஓவே இல்ல. நீ வந்து 5th லெட்டர் பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. நீங்க எப்படி இப்படி எல்லாம் திங்க் பண்றீங்கன்னு தெரியல. ஜஸ்ட் லுக் அட் த word failure. In the word failure, vowels not together. So vowels not together means total minus vowel together. Total, how many letters are there? 7. So that is why it is 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial? நீங்க அன்னைக்கெல்லாம் தலையாட்டினீங்க. ஆல்பா பீட்டா காமா அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? 3 factorial. Alpha beta gamma delta and another 4 factorial. Did I not take how to arrange all these things? In the same way, in the place of alpha beta gamma, we are having failure. The word failure, letters FLURE. There are 7 letters. It can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. You take vowels. What are the vowels? A, I, U, E in the word failure. You take all the 4 as 1 unit. Bring it in the first position. Bring it in the between F and R. Bring it between L and R. Bring it in the last position. Why? It is acting as alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. That is why this is 4 factorial. What is this for? That is this for 1, 2, 3, 4. Arranging vowel between consonant is one operation. Arranging vowel itself is another operation. That is AIUE itself can be arranged in another 4 factorial ways. That is why this is 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Have you understood now?
சரி சார்.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, I took best and worst. In the last problem, it was vowel. In the present problem, it was best and worst. What did I did the last case? Total minus vowel together. Here, total minus best and worst together. Here, count is very large. Should I want to write all the 10 papers? I can't write. That is why the shortcut helps. So 10 factorial minus, take a total 10. Subtract, this is for best, this is for worst. Take them as one unit. The resulting answer will be 9. So that 9 can be arranged in 9 factorial, like what I wrote here. FLR. In the place, that is bring vowel between the consonant. That is why I said it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take this, bring best and worst between every pair of the paper. So that is why this is 9 factorial into 2 factorial y. The best and worst itself can be arranged in another 2 factorial. Best and worst itself can be arranged in 2 factorial. Arranging best and worst between other paper is 9. Arranging best and worst between the other paper is 9. That is 9 factorial. Best and worst itself can be arranged in 2 factorial. So subtract 9 factorial minus, 10 factorial minus 9 factorial into 2 factorial. In the word logarithm, I did the same. Take a total 10. Subtract minus 3. Why it is minus 3? Because THM. There is no repetition in my word logarithm. And take all the 3 as one letter. So something like this. L, O, G, A, R, I, S. So THM is a 1 unit letter. So I can bring it in the first position or second or third or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. That is why this is 8. I hope you would have understood what I did. So arranging the THM itself in another 3 factorial. Arranging THM itself in another 3 factorial. That is why this is 10 factorial into, 8 factorial into 3 factorial. Subtract from the total 10 factorial, you will get the total arrangement. Have you understood last 3 questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the last 3 questions, we didn't see the repetition. In the present question, we are seeing the with repetition. So take a total 7. Subtract minus 2 for R. Subtract minus 2 for A. Take the 2R as one letter. Take 2A as one letter. So the resulting letter can be arranged in 5 factorial is something like that. A will not come. That is A is 2. So N, G, E. So double A, double R. So I take this as 1 unit. You can put in 1, 2, 3 or 4 and then 5. So in this many ways we can arrange this. In this many ways we can arrange. How many ways? That is 5 factorial ways. It can be arranged 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. That is why this is 5 factorial. Arranging this 2A, 2R itself in 2 factorial. Arranging THM itself in 3 factorial. Arranging BW in 2 factorial. Arranging vowel itself in 4 factorial. Just compare. In all the problems we are doing only this. I told you why are we doing this. Because of repetition, I divided. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you take, this is another question. Here, together, not together is specifically given on vowel or consonant, vowel or best, worst or 2A, 2R or THM. It is given on the specific things. Here, in a total arrangement, for an example, 5 Sanskrit book, 3 English book, 3 Hindi books. This can be arranged in how many ways? 3 Hindi books can be arranged so that all the subjects, same language are together. What are they trying to mean? I should take like this. That is, all the subject book should be together. For an example, Sanskrit 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So 5 Sanskrit book. You may ask, sir, 5 Sanskrit books you said, are they not having a repetition? No. Because If it is a repetition, he should be informed with the copies. The copies is not mentioned. Then what is this 5 Sanskrit book? In the Sanskrit, you may have drama, fiction, poetry, prose, something like that. So that is why all the 5 are different. So totally you have 11. So 5 Sanskrit book itself can be arranged in 5 factorial. Then 3 English book can be arranged in another 3 factorial. This Hindi books itself can be arranged in another 3 factorial. And arranging this 3, that is required arrangement will be equal to, that is 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Also, this is 1 unit, 5 Sanskrit, 3 English, 3 Hindi itself. That is SEH itself can be arranged in another 3 ways. SEH, take all the 3. Can you not arrange all the 3 in the bulk for another 3 factorial? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You may ask,
Yes, sir.
why don't you do using the last method? If you want, this is another way. So subject of the same books together. Subject of the same books together, which is equal to, take a total 11. Here I take a total 10. Here I take a total 10. Here I take a total 7. So 10, 7, and then 10. Subtract for 5 Sanskrit book. Take them as 1 unit. Subtract 3 Hindi book. Take them as 1 unit. Subtract 3 English book. Take them as 1 unit. Resulting answer will be 3. What is the 3? This is the 3. That is 3 factorial. Have you first understood this? 11 for a 5 book, for 3 book, for another 3. Take them as 1 unit. So resulting answer is 3 factorial. This 3 itself can be arranged in another 3 factorial. This 3 itself can be arranged in 3 factorial. This 5 itself can be arranged in another 5 factorial. Look at the answer. Are they not same? Look at the answer. Are they not same? 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
சார் எனக்கு இந்த சம்ம திரும்ப சொல்றீங்களா சார்?
திரும்ப சொல்லணும்னாக்கா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே சொல்லணும். You first take all the 5 Sanskrit book. The Sanskrit book doesn't have any copy. The Sanskrit book doesn't have any copy. Had it been a copy, then it is with repetition. So this is a problem without repetition. So 5 Sanskrit book we are arranging together because he says same language together. What are the same languages? Sanskrit, English, Hindi. All the 5 Sanskrit itself can be arranged in 5 factorial. All English itself can be arranged in 3 factorial. All Hindi itself can be arranged in another 3 factorial. But can you not take all Sanskrit Hindi as one bulk? That bulk interchanged itself in another 3 factorial. That is why it is 5 factorial, 3 factorial, the whole cube. Otherwise, you do like this. Any queries? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
சார்
Now,
நீங்க போன செம்ல முதல்ல ஒரு மெத்தட் போட்டீங்களா சார்? அதுல கடைசில 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல் தானா?
இந்த 3
அந்த
factorial
எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரே யூனிட்டா எடுத்து
பாரு. இந்த 3 factorial என்னன்னா, this is that 3 factorial. Can you able to identify where I am looking? This 3 factorial is mapping.
11க்கு 5 ஃபேக்டோரியல்னு போட்டிருக்கீங்க சார். அலிட்டர் மெத்தட்.
I'm sorry.
ஸோ இந்த கடைசியில இருக்கிற 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல் வந்து அந்த ஒரு பஞ்சையும் ஒரே யூனிட் எடுத்து அதை அரேஞ்ச் பண்றதோட பெர்முடேஷன்.
ஆமா. So far we discussed not together. So far we discussed not together. Now we are going to discuss no together. What is the basic difference between not together, no together? No two are together. I ask you basic question. To get arrangement in together, how many are required in minimum? To arrange together, how
Two,
many?
sir.
Two. So no together means that minimum two itself is not together. No together means the minimum that two itself not together. That is what they are trying to mean. So no two minus signs. No two minus signs are together. This is a question. No two minus signs are together. So how to identify this problem in the exam? Whenever the word no two are together, this is a method. Not together is something different from no together. Please make a note. So total number of ways of arranging 6 plus and 4 minus, so that no two minus signs are together. So first write down what is given. 6 plus 4 minus. 6 plus 4 minus. So total is 10. Total is 10. So all plus minus are a symbol. So 6 plus will be identical. All the 6 plus will be identical. What I am trying to mean here? I am trying to mean it is with repetition. It's a problem with repetition because symbols are repeated. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sure.
So it is a symbol, it is with repetition. No two minus signs are together means this is a pattern you can follow for all the problems. Not together means total minus together. Not together means this is a pattern you should follow for all the problem. Which sign strength is maximum between plus and minus? Which is maximum? Plus is it maximum or minus is it maximum?
Plus.
Plus, sir.
So first always arrange maximum. First always arrange a maximum, that is 6 plus in 6 factorial ways. In 6 factorial ways, what it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 plus we have arranged in 6 factorial ways, where the minus signs can be brought. Where the minus signs are can be brought. They said no two minus signs are adjacent. No two minus signs are adjacent means next to next it should not come. So I should bring a minus sign here or here or here or here or here or here or last. So remaining, how many such places where you can bring minus signs? In the 7 places. If there are 6 plus signs, in 7 places you can come. If there are 12 plus signs, 13 places will come. If there are 20 plus signs, 21 places will come. If there are 100 plus signs, 101 places will come. Can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
One place will be additional. One place will be additional. One place will be additional. That is what I am trying to mean. Remaining places is 7. How many minus signs are now? How many minus signs are now? 4.
4.
Now you bring this 4 minus signs between the plus. So why are we arranging the maximum in the first? If you don't arrange maximum in the first, then you cannot arrange the condition, that is minimum. So what is the required answer? The required answer is this. The required arrangement, we are arranging plus signs 6 factorial, minus sign in 7p4 ways. We arranged because of repetition. I should divide by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First always arrange the maximum. In fact, in the next few problems we are going to do the same. It was plus minus. Now it has become 21 red balls. 21 red balls and then 19 green balls can be arranged so that no two green balls are together. no two green balls are together. So how do we start this? How many red balls are here?
Sir,
21.
சார் சார் இந்த மாதிரி நோ டூ டுகெதர்ல வந்து எப்பவுமே மினிமம்க்கு தான் கண்டிஷன் இருக்குமா சார்? மேக்ஸிமம்
ஆமா.
கண்டிஷன்
வராது.
இருக்காதா?
சரி, if you write a condition in maximum, can you able to arrange such a thing?
ஓ,
Condition.
பிளேஸ் கன்ஸ்ட்ரெயின்ட் இருக்கும் சார். பிளேஸ் கன்ஸ்ட்ரெயின்ட்.
Place illa. There is no such arrangement can come because it will be together. Maximumல கண்டிஷன் கொடுக்க முடியாது. Maximumல கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துட்டான்னா it will be question cannot be done.
அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்
Arrangement cannot be done.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So here first arrange. First whom I should arrange? 21 red balls. 21 red balls can be arranged in 21 factorial ways. In the last problem it was 6 plus signs. 6 factorial. Remaining place எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? Remaining places 22. How many green balls are there? 19. It can be arranged in 22p19. So what is the required arrangement? Either with repetition or without repetition?
With repetition.
Because all the red colors are same na. So required arrangement will be 21 factorial into 22p19.
22p19.
So required arrangement will be equal to 21 factorial into 22p19 divided by
21 factorial
into 19 factorial. So just simplify. 22p19, which would mean you take NPR formula, 22 factorial divided by 3 factorial, because n minus r divided by 19 factorial. So in 22 factorial you can have till 19 factorial. What is left? 20, 21, 22 divided by 3 factorial, that is 1, 2, 3. If you simplify you get some answer. Have you understood?
சார் 22p19 அது சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல் வராதா சார்? அந்த 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல் டினாமினேட்டர் 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல் டினாமினேட்டருக்கு போய்டுமா?
What is the answer? If you revert, can you not get 19 factorial in denominator? Answer.
புரியல சார்.
See, what is a by b by c by d? Is it not a by b into d by c?
Yes sir.
Then how do you write 3 factorial to denominator? Otherwise, what is your doubt? I don't understand.
சார் 22p19 இருக்குல்ல சார், அது வந்து 22 minus 19 3 factorial ஆயிடும்ல சார், அது எப்படி டினாமினேட்டர் வந்ததுன்னு கேட்டேன்.
What is the definition of NPR?
ஓகே சார்.
நீங்கலாம் வந்து படிக்கிறதே கிடையாது. You are not at all recapitulating the last class notes. Just blindly come and sit, ask the doubt. ஏன்னா நீங்க கேட்குற டவுட்ஸ் வச்சே நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவேன் நீங்க படிக்கிறீங்களா இல்லையான்னு. So the word triangle, how many letters are there? 8 letters. What is the condition? No two vowels are together. So 8 letters, it is no repetition in the given letter. No two vowels together means it is total 8. That sorry. Vowels together, how many vowels are here? Only 3 vowels. How many consonants are here? 5. What are they? So first arrange consonant. First arrange T R N G L.
5 factorial.
in 5 factorial ways. So remaining places are 6. Remaining places are 6. Remaining vowels are 3. So this can be arranged in 6p3. So what is the required arrangement?
5 factorial into 6p3.
So 5 factorial into 6p3. Required arrangement will be 5 factorial into 6p3. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at
Yes,
all
sir.
the problems.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So circular permutation, to arrange n things circularly in n minus 1 factorial ways. To arrange n things circularly in n minus 1 factorial. Example, to arrange 4 things, it can be done in 4 minus 1 factorial, that is 6. Why are we subtracting minus 1? In the circular arrangement, you can have 4 elements, 4 persons. So in the round table circle, there is no start end. You have to fix somebody. This is a starting point. So through which we can decide where to stop. So the starting point can be A or B or C or D. So we need to fix any one of the 4. So fixing 1, that is why we are subtracting 1 in the total n. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a problem related to round table as well as together. I ask you basic question, then I go to the problem. See, you want to arrange a person in round table, also you want to make them few together. You want to arrange a person in round table, also you want to make a few persons together. Now my question, will you make it first a round table arrangement or will you make it together arrangement? First, will you
Round
first
table.
do round table arrangement? Will you do first or together arrangement will you do first? This is my question.
Together arrangement.
Think first. First, I
Round
will
table
not do.
arrangement.
First, I should not do round table arrangement. Why? See, after making together, if you arrange in round table, it will be convenient. Once if you arrange in round table, how do you make them together? You have arranged in round table. Will you go and make together? Before arranging in a round table, I should make whom I want to be together. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So first what I have to do is make them together, then you put them in a round table. This is a common thing you should think. முதல்ல அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண வேண்டியது யார் ஒன்னா உட்காரணும்ன்றத முடிவு பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் தான் ரவுண்ட் டேபிள்ல போய் உட்கார முடியும். ரவுண்ட் டேபிள்ல உட்கார்ந்ததுக்கு பிற்பாடு இங்க போயிட்டு டூகெதர் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பண்றதுல அர்த்தம் இல்லை. அதான் சொல்ல வரேன். இது புரிஞ்சுட்டா நல்லது, புரியலன்னா சொல்லு. So number of ways in which 7 boys sit in a round table so that 2 particular boys may sit together. Total is 7. It is a problem related to round table. RT அப்படின்னா round table னு அர்த்தம். 2 particular boys sit together. First நான் என்ன சொன்னா, make them together. What is make them together? Take a total 7. How many boys you want to sit together? 2. Take all the 2 as 1. Resulting answer எவ்வளவு? 6. Resulting answer is 6. இப்போ ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் அப்ளை பண்ணு. இந்த ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் this 6 fellow to be arranged. This is 6 minus 1 factorial, that is 5 factorial. But this 2 itself can be arranged in another 2 factorial. But in the normal arrangement, we directly write 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Because of round table, we have to subtract minus 1. So what is the required arrangement? Required arrangement will be 5 factorial into 2 factorial. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. சார் அந்த அந்த 2 பேர் மட்டும் டுகெதர் இருக்குல்ல சார், அதுக்காக -2வா?
ஏய், நார்மலா டூகெதர் எப்படி பண்ணுவோம்? We will take a total. We will subtract whomever they ask you to together. Let it be bubble or best and worst or anything. We take all that as one unit.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
அந்த ரிசல்டிங் ஆன்சர்ல தான் we are applying that round table. இப்போ இந்த 6 ரவுண்ட் டேபிள்ல கொண்டு வரணும். அதுக்காக தான் அந்த -1 இன்னொரு தடவை வருது. நான் கிளியரா ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது சொன்னேன், முதல்ல எது அப்ளை பண்ணோம்? ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் ஆபரேஷன் முதல்ல அப்ளை பண்ணணுமா? டுகெதர் ஆபரேஷன் should I want to apply? Together operation should be applied first. Then only you can make them to arrange in a round table. வேற டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா கேளுங்க.
Sir, n means together, sir.
புரியல.
n-1, n means together, sir. The formula.
அப்பா arranging n things circularly அப்படினாக்க n-1 base. I mean n-1 factorial. ஏன் இந்த -1 subtract பண்றாங்கன்னு நான் சொல்லிட்டேன். In a round table we cannot say which is a starting point, which is an ending point. That is why we are subtracting 1. இப்போ நான் b ஐ subtract பண்ணா மீதி எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 3. இந்த 3 can you not permute in another 3 factorial ways?
Yes, sir.
இந்த question பாரு. 17 ministers to be arranged in a round table. 3 ministers wants to sit together. So total is 17. It is a round table problem. 3 ministers sit together. So total 17. Subtract -3. Subtract -3 because of 3 ministers. Take them as one unit. Take them as one unit. This is equal to 15. In the last problem, enna pannom? 7 - 2 + 1. Here 17 - 3 + 1. And the resulting answer 6. In the resulting answer 15. We want to arrange in a round table. So round table arrangement was 15 - 1 factorial. That is equal to 14 factorial. This 3 itself can be arranged in another 3. Anga வந்து 2% itself can be arranged in 2. So what is the required arrangement? 14 factorial into 3 factorial. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
இப்போ மினிஸ்டர் நாட் டுகெதர் கேக்குறேன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. 3 ministers not together என்ன பண்ணணும்? What is the total? 17. Round tableன்றதுனால subtract -1. So 17 - 1 factorial minus in the answer. Just know we did this. 3 ministers together. That is 14 factorial into 3 factorial. That is the answer. That is equal to 16 factorial minus 14 factorial into 3 factorial. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No together in round table. No together linear la பண்ணோம். No together we did in linear. Now we are going to do it in round table. The same. And the maximum first we arrange. Ingiyum maximum first we arrange. And because of round table we have to subtract that -1. That's it. So first whom I should arrange here? எத்தனை பாய்ஸ் இருக்காங்க? எத்தனை கேர்ள்ஸ்?
7, 5.
Okay, no repetition. So 7 boys அப்படினா first we should arrange 7 boys in round table. First arrange 7 boys in a round table. For an example, you know this is a round table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 boys in round table can be arranged in 7 - 1 factorial. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
இப்போ ரிமைனிங் எத்தனை பிளேசஸ் இருக்கு? 1 2 3 சாரி
1 எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா இருக்கும்.
1 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வராது, ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும் இங்க. பிகாஸ் லீனியர்ல தான் 1 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா. இங்க லீனியர் ரவுண்ட் டேபிள்ல இட் வில் பி ஈக்குவல். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 7 பாய்ஸ்னாக்கா 7 பிளேசஸ் வில் பி ரிமைனிங். 10 பாய்ஸ்னாக்கா 10 பிளேசஸ் வில் பி ரிமைனிங். அதான் நான் ப்ரூவ் பண்றேன். 1 2 then 3 then 4 5 6 7. That is what I am trying to mean. Have you understood? இன்னொரு தடவை வேணா போட்டு பார்க்கணும். See 7 first boys 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7. How many places are vacant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places are left out. Have you understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
remaining places will be equal to 7. How many girls to be brought? 5. This can be arranged in 7p5. So required arrangement will be equal to 6 factorial into 7p5. If there is a repetition, we will divide. For an example, in the place of boys, if I bring 7 ash shines, 5 star, then what is the required arrangement? No 2 star are together. In round table, what is the required arrangement? The same thing we will do. The same thing we will do. What we will do? The place of 7 boys, what we will do? The required arrangement will be the same 7p5 into 6 factorial. Because of repetition, I should divide 7 factorial into 5 factorial. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is with repetition. If you have any queries, tell me. The next question is no to Americans. No to Americans and no to Australians. Here strength is equal. Here strength is equal. How many Americans are there? 5. How many Australians are there? 5. The condition is no to American, no to Australians. First, you can arrange whomever you want. You can arrange American or Australians. So no condition. If I arrange first 5 Americans in a round table, 5 Americans in round table in 5 minus 1 factorial, that is equal to 4 factorial. How many places are left out? Remaining places must be equal to 5. Am I right? 5 Americans. Just draw the diagram. How many places will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many places are left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So 5 places are left out. Australians are 5. So this can be arranged in 5p5. So what is the required arrangement? Required arrangement will be 4 factorial into 5p5. If there is a repetition, I will divide by the respective repetition. Here, not possible. Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
And why, sir? No repetition?
All 5 Americans, they not differing by their height, weight, name, etc.
Okay, sir.
Now problem related to positions. Now problem related to positions means placed on even, odd, something like that. Question number 1. How many letters are given in the word Allahabad? 9. Is a word with repetition or without repetition? With repetition. What are the letters are repeated? A 4 times, L 2 times. What is the condition? Vowels to be in the even place. Vowels to bring in an even place. So how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a different entity. So far we crossed together, not together. In a round table, together, not together. Now this is another different form. Problem related to a specific position. You know, even places are 2, 4, 6, 8. So first fix the given condition. First fix the condition. How many vowels are there? How many even places are there? How many vowels are there? How many even places are there? Number of vowels is 4 because
4.
only A. Number of even places is also 4. So this can be arranged in 4p4 ways. Is that clear? How many places
Yes,
are
sir.
left out? Remaining places. Remaining places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining places 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining places are 4. Remaining letters should be equal to 4. What are the 4? Once if you take all the 4A, A double L,
Remaining
sorry,
letters
5,
equal.
sorry. Remaining places supposed to be 5. 1 minute, 9, I made a mistake. One more place will come. Totally 9 letters. So remaining places should be equal to 5. In the word Allahabad, 9 letters are there. Even places are 2, 4, 6, 8. So we fixed it 4p4. Remaining places must be equal to 5. Remaining letters should be equal to 5. If this is not balanced, then we are going wrong. So this can be arranged in 5p5 ways. So what is the required arrangement? The required arrangement will be 4p4 into 5p5 divided by
4 factor.
4 factorial into 2 factorial. In the same way, second subdivision. The word signal, how many letters are there? 5. What is the condition? It is a without repetition because, yes.
Sir, 6 letters, sir.
6 letters.
Signal 6 letters.
Okay. N is equal to 6. It is without repetition. Vowels to be in odd place. Vowels to bring in odd places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5. These are the odd places. 3 odd places. How many vowels are there? 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this can be arranged in 3p2 ways. This can be arranged in 3p2 ways. Now, how many places are left out?
4.
No. 2 places only got. Correct. 4. That is 1, 2, 3. Some odd position will be vacant. Let it be 5. So 4 places will be vacant. So if it is 4 places, how many left out letters are there? Remaining letters. It is also equal to 4. This can be arranged in 4p4. So the required arrangement will be 4p4 into 3p2. Is that clear?
சார் ஏன் சார் 4 பிளேஸ் வேக்கண்டா இருக்கும்? ஒரு ஆடோடது ஏன் வேக்கண்டா இருக்கும்?
ஒரு நிமிஷம். 3 ஆட் பிளேசஸ் இருக்கு. 2 வவல் தான் இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ல 4 ஈவன் 4 ஆட் பிளேசஸ் டேலி ஆயிடுச்சு. இங்க 1 ஆட் பிளேஸ் வில் பி வேக்கண்ட். அந்த பிளேஸ்ல யூ கேன் அஃபோர்ட் டு ஃபில் எனி லெட்டர். அங்க வந்து வவல் தான் வரணும் அவசியம் இல்லை. பிகாஸ் we have taken all the given vowels. So we have taken all the given vowels. So there is no restriction that not to bring vowel. So having used all the vowels, you can bring any letters in that place.
ஓகே சார், கிளியர் சார்.
So with this I complete today. Tomorrow I take digit problems. If you have any doubts, you may ask.
This answer will come under 3 marks or 2 marks.
இதெல்லாம் 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ல வரும். வந்தா வருமான்றது டவுட். பட் சிலபஸ்ல இருக்கு, எடுத்துட்டேன்.
சிலபஸ் மட்டும் ஒரு வாட்டி அனுப்புறீங்களா சார்?
உங்களுக்கு நான் சிலபஸே கொடுக்கலையா?
ஸ்டார்டிங்ல கொடுத்தீங்க சார்.
நான் ஏதோ சிலபஸ் ஷேர் பண்ண மாதிரி ஞாபகம் எனக்கு.
ஒன் மோர் டைம் அனுப்புறீங்களா?
பாக்குறேன், என்கிட்ட சிலபஸ் இருக்கு, நான் அனுப்பியிருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஐ ஷேர்ட் இன் டெலிகிராம் just to see whether have I sent it.
சார் எஸ் சார், அத நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்பிச்சீங்க சார்.
Okay, WhatsApp. Anyhow, you just check.
Sure.